Hi students, today's circles 4 marks question discuss చేసుకుందాం ఓకేనా 4 marks questions circles most important SAQs అవునా సో ఇందులో find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, one circle is given and the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, should find here what length of the chord. Okay, then given line is what, first we get the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Right, then here you should find here center and radius. Okay, tell me what is the formula center. Yes, minus g minus f, right? Okay, this is center. This is equal to, yes, tell me here minus g is what, 2 4s are 8, right? Then what here, 4, right? Yes, here already minus there na, minus minus plus will be, that's why 4 comma, here what, 1, 4 comma 1 is center. Understood? You compare the general equation. Okay, you already here given equation. Okay, center and radius. What is the formula? Radius, yes, root of g square plus f square minus c, right? What is g? Here g there now, minus g, automatically g square minus this only, right? 4 is 16, right? Plus f square is 1 minus c is comparing here. Okay, I am writing here c, g equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 8. Okay, minus 4 whole square is plus 16. Okay, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus plus here, that's why here 8. Okay, now see, 16 plus 1 17 plus 8, or 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is what, 5. R is 5. Okay, next given line is what, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Given line is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, and next okay, and now here is the length of the chord. What is the formula length of the chord? You know, length of the chord, is 2 into root of r square minus d square, right? What is the formula? Length of the chord formula is 2 into root of r square minus d square. Okay, r is here 5. Okay, d is what? D is perpendicular distance, right? D is what? Distance from the center. Okay, from the center is what, 4 comma 1, from the center this line. Okay, there is a perpendicular distance. So what is the formula of perpendicular distance? You know this perpendicular distance formula? Yes, see here, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, right? Yes, isn't it? Okay, now what is ABC? Now compare them with this. What is ABC? X coefficient is a, y coefficient is b, constant is c, right? Okay, now compare them here. See, I am writing here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to also 1. Okay, then what is x1 y1? Is from the center, right? Center is what, 4 comma 1. Okay, here you write here 4 comma 1, that point will be x1 comma y1. Okay, from the center this line. Okay, yes, now tell me 1 into 4, okay, plus b into y1 is 1. Okay, then 1 plus c is also 1, right? Plus 1 is modulus is divided by root of a square. A is what? A square is 1 square is 1, b square is 1. Okay, now 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, right? 6 by under root 2, 6 divided by root 2. Okay, then here see, 3 2s are, shall I write 3 2s are, okay, no problem. Here d square we want, no, don't do here because we want d square. Okay, d is this. Okay, d square is no applying here. Length of the chord. Okay, already shortcut, but don't write shortcut in your exam. Okay, don't lose the marks. 2 into root of r square, r is 5, right? Yes, 5 square is 25. Okay, d square, d is what, this square, 6 is 36 by root 2 whole square is 2. Okay, now yes, now 2 here cancel, better now, right? Yes, 25 minus 18, Now see, 2 into root of 25 minus 18. Tell me, what is the subtraction? 25 minus 18. Yeah, 7. Right? Yeah, that is the answer, 2 root 7. Here it is, what is the length of the card? Length, no, that's why units. Here what? Units you got read. Length, na? Okay, that are units. Okay, this is the length of the card. Answer. Understood? This type of questions will be in your exam. Length of the card, 4 marks will be. Okay, here you know academic questions, every question you should prepare up to 1 day. Okay, 1 E not there. Already I told which topics related. Sorry, last exercise, right? Circles chapter last exercise is deleted, and before formulas, before examples also deleted. Okay, that's why last exercise remove, like a number of tangents that then that we don't prepare that. Okay, now IP exam, for IP exam I am explaining here. Okay, understood now? 4 marks question how to write. Okay, 4 marks question like this question, like this matter. Okay, yes, next question. Yes, next question. See here. Find the equations of tangents to the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, parallel to this equation. What is the question? Okay, now given circle, you should write first. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x is plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, right? Okay, then tell me here center is what? Minus g minus f is, tell me here, minus g is 2, right? 2 comma minus 3, right? 2 3 is 6, no, minus not there, na, plus there, that's why, right? Minus, right? 2 comma minus 3 center. Tell me radius now. Radius is root of g square is 4 plus f square is 9, right? Minus c, minus 12 is there, na, minus minus plus 12, right? Yes, now 9 plus 4 is what? 13. 13 plus 12, 25. Under root of 25 is 5. R equal to, you got 5, right? Yes. Next here, R equal to 5. Next here, parallel equation. Tell me any equation, parallel equation is what? How to write parallel equation? Okay. A given line is x plus y minus 8 equal to 0, right? X plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Then parallel equation. What is the question? Equation of the tangent to the circle. Equation of the tangent to the parallel line, right? Yes. Equation of tangent parallel line. Right? Parallel line is what? How to write? X plus y plus k equal to 0. Okay. Right, listen here one more time. Here any line is there, now how to write? As it is, you have to write ax plus by term plus in that is constant place you have to write k. Okay, x plus y plus k equal to 0, that is parallel line. Okay, to the given line. Okay, next, now here what? Here given what? Equation, find the equation of the tangent to the circle. Here tangent you should find, right? Then okay, equation is tangent to the circle, formula is what? R equal to d only, right? Yes, R equal to d. That is the equation of the tangent. Then equate them, you will get k value, right? Yes, R is what? 5. D, should write here D, perpendicular distance from the center. Center is what? 2 comma minus 3. Yes, see, I am D I am applying first. Here comparing here, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to k, right? Yes. Next here, what is x1 y1 point is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, 2 comma minus 3. Then you write x1 comma y1. Okay. Now ax1 is what? 2 plus bx1 is what? Minus 3. Here minus 3 there, na, that's why minus 3. Okay, plus c there k. Yes. Okay, modulus by root of a square. 1 square plus b square is 1 square. Okay, and here now equal to r, right? Yes, r equal to d implies then this equal to r is 5, right? Now here I am equating 5. Okay, understood now? Yes. Now 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Here what? K minus 1 will be, right? K minus 1 by root 2 equal to 5. Then k minus 1 equal to what? 5 root 2, right? K minus 1 equal to 5 root 2. Yes. Then 5 root 2 plus 1. K value we want now. The k value is what? 5 root 2 plus 1. Yes. This is the k value. Now k value apply them where in this, that is the required equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to this given circle. Okay. Therefore, equation of the tangent. Okay, you have write here equation of the tangent. Tangent, what is the formula? Given line is what? X plus y plus k. K is this, no? 5 root 2 plus 1. Then you have to write plus 5 root 2 plus 1. Here, actually here modulus is there, right? That's why plus or minus will be. Okay, plus or minus will be. That's why here what? Equal to, you have write here plus or minus. Okay, then here write plus or minus. Yes, here plus or minus. Here plus or minus will be, means two lines will be. Okay, x plus y plus or minus 5 root 2 plus 1. That is the answer. Understood? Equation of the tangent. Any line, see here given parallel to given line. Okay, suppose perpendicular to given, suppose line is given, then how to find? See, perpendicular line, any line, here x coefficient will be y coefficient, y coefficient will be x coefficient. Means, listen here one example. Suppose x plus y, same line is there. Suppose perpendicular to equation, how to find? Here y coefficient is what? 1 now. Then x 1 into x. Here middle sign you change. Okay, minus y plus k equal to 0. This is the perpendicular line. Understood? Okay, here suppose 2x is there, any line, suppose like this line there. Okay, then how to write? See here x coefficient is will be y. That's why here you have write here too. Understood? X coefficient will be here, y coefficient will be x coefficient. We interchange the coefficient places and middle interchange the sign. Okay, understood now? Okay, x coefficient will be y coefficient will be x, then change the sign middle. That is the process of perpendicular equation. Okay, this is a parallel equation. Right? How to find? X plus y is there now, then as it is up to x plus y, right, plus k. Suppose 2x plus 3y is there, then you write 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0, like that. Okay, any line given, okay, any line given, then you should write this procedure only. Understood now? Okay, procedure, same procedure only. Okay, suppose it will be changed, the numbers are here also. Okay, don't confuse here. What is the procedure? Equation of the tangent means should find here r equal to d. Okay, equate them, then k value find out them. Okay, parallel or perpendicular given. Okay, understood now this procedure, how to find? Okay, thank you. Please, if your friends are there, please share this video. Okay, please subscribe and like us. Okay, bye. Thank you watching my channel. And daily I am explaining shortcuts, MCET tricks also. Okay, join after 7 o'clock. Okay, bye.